Well, not personally what I want to do on a Monday, but I'm going to show you how to do the brake calipers on a Ford Dana 60 Kingpin. This is out of an 87, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is top off the brake fluid, since mine has spilled all over the ground. Chalk your sweet new wheels off Marketplace for 600 bucks. Find a reasonably safe place to jack your front end up. This probably isn't the best, but you know, here we are. Go ahead and throw a jack stand under there, unless you're tired of crippling debt, depression, and, well, taxes, because there's that. Use only the finest and used tools to remove your wheel. Alright, so there she be. We're gonna pinch off this line, yeah, like the custom suspension. We're gonna pinch off this line, take this off, and pound out these slides real quick. Grab yourself a handful of tools, even though you're gonna forget some, and get started. Okay, so we got the new stuff in, and I'll go grab the wife and we can bleed this side real quick, and then we'll jump over to the driver's side. There. Okay, all right, release and then hold pressure. You holding?
Holding.
Okay, pump it up. All right, we'll call that.